Hi, I'm going to show you here how to complete major assignment 1 based on previous DQs. Here, major assignment 1 has 4 pages, grading sheets, income analysis. Click on unit conversion to see uh, each tab's question. All right. So now I'm going to click on income analysis and I'm going to use topic 1, DQ2 to complete the income analysis page. Okay, they are just very similar calculation and steps that you have to go through. Okay, so topic 1 DQ1, topic 1 DQ2 is going to help you to complete income analysis. Okay, the first thing is enter your name here on the name box. I'm going to enter XXXX, just a fake name. Enter, or hit enter on the keyboard. Now we're going to have values generated here in the table. All right, so using this stopping distance table, which is a speed data and distance data, I'm going to calculate their slope value. Right, click on B26 cell, hit enter and the type slope so that the slope function can pop up. Okay, double click on the slope here on the blue, then you highlight the distance values, click on the first value 0.69, drag all the way down to 44.62 and enter comma from the keyboard, and then do the same, highlight the speed values. Okay, release, hit enter. All right, it is the same to calculate the intercept value. Enter equal, highlight the distance value, comma, highlight the speed value. Okay, hit enter here. All right, let me see what's the error. Equal intercept. Yeah, I didn't type intercept. Okay, here is intercept value, double click on the intercept. Okay, highlight the distance value, comma, highlight the speed value, hit enter. Now we have the intercept value. We need to have 2 decimal places, so on this, on the top middle, you're gonna decrease the decimal places. Okay, hit enter. All right, you can have 2 decimal values now here. Okay, all right, now on the distance, on the second table, predicted values, you're gonna calculate distance using the slope and y value as well as the speed value. Okay, so click on the here the first F27 cell, right, to calculate the first distance for the speed of 0. So once you enter equal, refer to the slope times speed. All right, that's a linear equation formula. Then plus, click on the intercept value, right, you enter. All right, that's the distance for 0 speed. All right, we don't need to keep do like that for each speed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lax the slope and intercept value. To do so, click between B and 26, enter the dollar sign, which is a shift 4 for the dollar sign, and again between B25, shift 4 on the keyboard. So you're gonna lock the slope and intercept value, but you don't lock the speed, which is the value is gonna change. So hit enter. Now go back, click on the distance this value, move the cursor to the right lower corner. When it changes to dark plus sign, hold and drag it all the way down to the last value box. Release. All right, the value pop up for each distance. All right, 2 decimal places. Click on this arrow. Here you go. All right, now we're gonna create a graph in this section, which is similar to the section in major assignment 1. Here's section 3. So the way it creates the graph is the same as topic 1 DQ2. All right, read the instruction. You're gonna use the first table to create a scatter, okay? The graph. Highlight those two values, highlight, then go to the top corner on the insert, click on the insert. All right, going in the middle here on the charts icon, click the down arrow. You're gonna select the first scatter graph. All right, here we have a graph, but we need to do more work. Click on the plus sign here on the top right corner. Go all the way to the trade line. Click on the arrow here. All right, go all the way down to more options. Already the linear is selected for us, so we're good. The linear graph, yes, graph is already selected. Okay. All right, that's how we're gonna do the income analysis page for major assignment 1. For the next one, unit conversion, we're gonna do which topic 2 DQ1. You do the same way for the unit conversion. There are graph here videos that you're gonna watch. Okay. Here there is also example in the first section, but I'm going to show the first problem. You are given initial quantity of 2.5 gram per liter, all right, and you're going to convert that to ounce per gallon. So this final quantity is going to be entered here as under the final quantity, ounce per gallon, right? That's our final quantity. So each golden color should be entered with the corresponding unit conversion factors. So under the units parts, what we're gonna enter is we're gonna cancel gram, and the gram should be changed to ounce, right? So to cancel gram, the gram should be on the bottom, right? On the top should be ounce, the one we're gonna convert to. All right, next we're gonna eliminate liter, so the liter should be on the top, right? Liter, all right, over the one we're gonna convert to gallon, right? All right, so now 1 gallon, how many 1 gallon should be how many ounce? We're gonna go to up the given table. I'm sorry, 1 gram. Yeah, 1 gram. We're gonna look for 1 gram equivalent value of this ounce. But we have here 28.3495 gram, and that's equivalent to 1 ounce. So we should know 1 gram is equivalent to how many ounce. So the easiest way is 1 divided by 28. It's going to give us the equivalent of 1 gram to ounce. Okay, we're going to use cell reference. So okay, enter, click here, equal. So we're going to go make cell reference, click on 1 here, then divide by here by 28.3495. Click here. All right, then you're gonna enter on the keyboard. All right, so now we know 1 gram is equivalent to 0.035 ounce. So you do the same way like this. This YouTube, those videos is gonna help you. It's gonna show you the way I just explained. Then you're gonna keep finish all those parts. Okay. Okay, once you fill those ratio values, let's assume we have just a value here. Then to find the final quantity, you have to enter equal, then multiply each value, given values, 2.5 times Shift 8, the first ratio value, Shift 8, and whatever value is here, then hit enter to get the final value, okay? But there should be a value over here, just to give you a really general explanation, okay? Now we done major assignments, unit conversion explanation. Now we're gonna go to the last, currency conversion. This is really self-explanatory. There's example already here under this example section. So you're gonna enter letter, the first letter of your first name, the second letter of your first name, first letter of your last name, and the second letter of your last name. Just very self-explanatory. So you're gonna, based on your first letters, you're gonna enter a country here on this section, okay? Here's an example. Then today's date should be entered on this section, this part. Or in the currency code, you're gonna go this resource, there's this link, click on this link so that you're gonna find your country's currency code. For this example, Tajikistan has a currency code TJS. Right, you're gonna enter the currency code for each country. Then you're gonna enter how much would be $1 equivalent to the country's value, country's currency. Okay, in these examples, $1 is equivalent to 10.127 Tajikistan's currency. So you're gonna enter each country's $1 value currency here. Then to find the dollar conversion, the dollar to the country conversion, which is you are being given here a currency here. There should be a currency value we didn't see here. Okay, let's enter a name here so this value can pop up. Okay, yeah, I didn't enter, so I have to enter name so values can be pop up. Okay, all right, here $7,300, and we need to know how much would be that in foreign currency right here, right? Okay, so enter equal, going to the, click on the dollars amount of the three budgets. So we'd like to know the foreign currency values for that dollar amount. Multiply, Shift 8, and whatever amount you have here on C9 will give you the value. Let's assume C9 is like 1,000 foreign currency. $1 is equivalent to 1,000 foreign currency. So that's 1,000 foreign currency would be 7,300,000. Okay, so you multiply a value from before and 319, it's gonna give you, all right? But for the last one, foreign currency, that means you're gonna convert the foreign currency to a dollar value. Here, the foreign currency is given as 960. It could be any country's amount, so that should be changed to a dollar. To do so, enter equal, then select the foreign amounts, the foreign amount divided by this foreign currency of $1 value. Let me go back. Sorry, equal the amount of foreign currency, then divide. I have to enter the division sign. Okay, then $1 equivalence of the foreign currency. Okay, all right. So that's the 960 of the foreign currency is equivalent to $96.06 value. Okay, you're gonna enter this dollar sign here by going here in the numbers. You're gonna enter the dollar sign here by looking at the currency. Okay, like that. So this detail is shown in the video. All right, I just show you generally how you're gonna work it, but the detail on TQ or is it